Question 1. India's cross-border payment system UPI PayNo expanded significantly after the inclusion of 13 more Indian banks, taking the total to 19. This move aims to strengthen real-time remittance between India and Singapore. Which organization is behind this initiative to integrate Indian and Singaporean banking systems via UPI PayNo? Option A. Reserve Bank of India. Option B. National Payment Corporation of India. Option C. Ministry of External Affairs. Option D. State Bank of India. Correct option, B. Question 2. During the 47th session of the UNESCO World Heritage Committee in Paris, the total number of World Heritage Sites globally rose to 1248. India's Maratha military landscapes was added to the list, bringing India's count to 44. Which Indian heritage site was added as the 44th UNESCO World Heritage Site during this session? Option A. Moidams of Assam. Option B. Ajanta Caves. Option C. Maratha military landscapes. Option D. Kakatiya Rudreshwara Temple. Correct option, C. Question 3. INS Ajay was launched by GRSE as part of India's modernization efforts. It is the last ship of the anti-submarine warfare shallow water crafts project. What class does the recently launched INS Ajay belong to? Option A. Talwar class. Option B. Kamota class. Option C. Armala class. Option D. Sivalik class. Correct option, C. Question 4. India recently granted scheduled bank status to NSDL Payment Bank. This status allows access to RBI's liquidity support, clearing facilities, and more. NSDL Payment Bank received scheduled bank status under which clause of the RBI Act, 1934? Option A. Clause A of subsection 6 of Section 42. Option B. Clause B of Section 10. Option C. Section 35A. Option D. Section 28B. Correct option, A. Question 5. To better represent listed insurance firms, BSE launched the BSE Insurance Index. It tracks the performance of insurance companies from the BSE 1000 index. How often will the BSE Insurance Index be reconstituted? Option A. Monthly. Option B. Quarterly. Option C. Semi-annually. Option D. Annually. Correct option, C. Question 6. Deepika from India won the Polygrass Magic Skill Award in the women's category of the FI Pro League. She was recognized for her solo goal against the Netherlands. For which sport is the Polygrass Magic Skill Award presented? Option A. Tennis. Option B. Cricket. Option C. Hockey. Option D. Football. Correct option, C. Question 7. The Global Findex Report 2025 by the World Bank highlighted a sharp increase in India's financial account ownership. It rose from 35% in 2011 to 89% in 2024. What is the global average account ownership rate as per the 2025 report? Option A. 65%. Option B. 79%. Option C. 89%. Option D. 58%. Correct option, B. Question 8. The Ministry of Power launched the ADETIE scheme to help MSMEs adopt energy-efficient technologies. It has an outlay of 1,000 crore rupees and targets 14 energy-intensive sectors. What is the full form of the ADETIE scheme? Option A. Advanced Development for Energy Efficiency Transition in Industries and Enterprises. Option B. Assistance in deploying energy-efficient technologies in industries and establishments. Option C. Achieving developmental energy efficiency in trade and enterprises. Option D. Accelerated deployment of eco-friendly technologies in industries and establishments. Correct option, B. Question 9. BITS Pilani announced the establishment of India's first AI Plus campus. This next-generation campus integrates artificial intelligence with multidisciplinary learning. Where is India's first AI Plus campus being established? Option A. Mumbai. Option B. Amravati. Option C. Hyderabad. Option D. Bangalore. Correct option, B. Question 10. The QS Best Student Cities 2026 rankings were released recently. Seoul claimed the top position, overtaking London. Which Indian city ranked highest in the QS Best Student Cities 2026? Option A. Chennai. Option B. Delhi. Option C. Mumbai. Option D. Bangalore. Correct option, C.